Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have someone with hair around shoulder length. She's got some grown out gray roots going here. She actually looks very young to be graying already, but some people do gray early. The stylist did a really cute pixie here, and you can still see that salt and pepper color coming through. Wow. Beautiful shaggy pixie cut, and I love the color. So here we have someone rocking out a pixie. Ooh, she gets a nice undercut. Oh my gosh, I love the color. Pop of blonde going there. So fun. And then here we have someone with hair around shoulder length, and the stylist does this gorgeous blonde color. Oh, I love the way that this hair shade looks against her complexion. Very pretty. And it looks kind of like she got some chocolate roots going there to bring out that blonde. Gorgeous color. So here we have someone getting some extensions added to the hair. Now she already has hair that is short, and it looks like she just wanted to kind of thicken up that bob here. Beautiful layered bangs. So this is a great option if you do want to add some volume to your hair. You can get some clip-ins or some type of extensions. Beautifully done. So here we have someone rocking out a bob. Ooh, oh my goodness. Wow, look at this orange bob makeover. Wow, that color looks so pretty on her complexion. I love it. So here we have someone, it looks like she does have a bob. Hair is on the thinner side. And the stylist does a nice cut refresh here, bringing in some bangs. Very cute. So here we have someone with mid-back length hair. Looks like she wants to get a bob here. And bam, a nice chic modern bob with a classic center part. Oh. Oh, he's adding in some color. Okay. Beautiful blunt bob. Looks like we have some bangs going there. Oh, look at the volume on this. So pretty. And it seems like the old money style bobs are very in for this season.